Hello everyone. Now we are going to see the 7th C program. The name is a programs using structures and unions. Before going to execute the program, we need to see what's the definition of structures and unions. The basic definition of structure is structure having a collection of dissimilar data items that are stored under a single common name. The structure is a convenient way for handling different type of logically related data type variables. For example, student details we are used to store the register number, name and CGPA. Each and every data having a different data type. That means register number having a integer type data, and then names we are using a character array, that means string, and then CGPA we are using a integer type data type. That are mainly structure is used to store the large amount of data, that is a dissimilar data items. There are three parts of a structure. One is a defining a structure, after the declaring, finally accessing object of a structure type. This is a syntax for defining a structure. Here we are using a struct is the keyword, and then structure name. We have to use any type of structure name, depends upon the program, and then within the curly braces we have to initialize the structured element, more number of elements, that is end with semicolon. In this struct is a keyword, and then we are using the structure element. This is the example for basic structure program. Here we are using a book details. That's why we are using a structure name as a book. What's the basic structure definition? It's having a dissimilar data items. That is, character is a different type of data type, integer is different data type, floating is a different data type. So we are in a single program, we are using different type of data types stored under single this book common name. Okay, how to access these variable means we are using the second structure variable, because we are using a large amount of book, large title means we are using a simple structure variable. We have to access that element with the using of dot operator. For example, b dot book name, that b is a structure variable. And then declaring a structure, a declaration syntax is struct is a keyword, and then we are using the structure name and type of n number of variables, and that is also end with semicolon. This is the example for that structure. And then initialization of structure, there are two type of initialization, runtime initialization and then compile time initialization. In the compile time initialization, the user define the variable names or values. That means b is equal to, that book name is CP, the pages are 500 and then price is 250. But in runtime compilation we have to get the values from the user by using the scanf statement. Here percentage s, percentage d, percentage f, these are all the format specifier. Percentage s is character array data type format specifier, percentage d for integer data type, and then percentage f for floating type data type. That ampersand symbol is forward, that is used to store the variable, that is address of the variable. We have to access the variable with the dot operator. That's also we have to store the variable as with the dot operator. That means second variable name b dot book name, and then ampersand b dot pages, and then ampersand b dot price. We have to how to show the these names means by using the printf statement. Now we are going to see the program. We are using the Dev C++ compiler. In this compiler, to open file, new source file. In that you have to type the program. This is the program. In this program, struct is a keyword, book is the structure name. In the structure we have to add three data items, that is title and then author and then price of that book. The title is a character array, author name is also a character array, but the price is floating point array. The structure is mainly used for storing a dissimilar data items. These are all the dissimilar data items. How to store the elements? By using the show, by using the printf statement, enter the title, scanf statement, we can scan the book title, that means that is the string variable or not. We are using in the percentage s is a format specifier, book dot title. Likewise, enter the author name and then enter the price. Using the printf statement, we have to show the or print the values, that means book dot title, book dot author and then book dot price. Before going to execute the program, we have to save the file. Okay, in the desktop I will save the file. That program name is program 7a with extension of .c. We have to store the program. After that compilation, there is no error. After that we run the program. The title, book title is Max and then author is any other author name, and enter the price is 500 rupees. That is book information, title Max, author, and then we get the price is the 500. This is the output for this structure program. The structure is mainly used for storing the dissimilar data items that are stored under a single common name. Thank you.